In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using GIMP. Whether you're new to GIMP or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of crafting eye-catching thumbnails that draw viewers in. Let's dive right in. To begin, open GIMP and navigate to the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down list, select New. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to set the size of your new image. It's crucial to set the dimensions to 1280 by 720 pixels, since this is the standard size for YouTube thumbnails. This ensures that your thumbnail will display correctly across different devices, from computers to mobile phones. Once you've set your canvas size, it's time to get creative by adding layers. Layers are essential because they keep different elements of your design separate, making it easier to edit individual components without affecting the entire image. Start by choosing a background that complements the theme of your video. You might opt for a solid color, gradient, or even an image that ties into your subject. Following the background selection, it's time to add images and text that are relevant to your content. Consider using high-quality, impactful images that resonate with your audience and hint at the video's content. Text is equally important, so choose a font that is clear and readable even at smaller sizes. Your text should be concise, often just a few words that summarize the theme or key message of your video. Don't forget to position your text strategically to balance your design and make sure it's not overshadowing other elements. Enhancing your thumbnail with effects is where your design really starts to shine. You want your thumbnail to be attention-grabbing and memorable amidst the sea of content on YouTube. Use GIMP's numerous built-in effects to give your thumbnail that extra pop. This could include adding drop shadows for depth, applying outlines to your text to improve visibility, or adjusting the color contrast to make certain elements stand out. Be mindful not to overdo it. The goal is to enhance, not overwhelm. Finally, with your masterpiece complete, it's time to save your work in the correct format. From the File menu, select Export As and choose a file type that works best for uploading to YouTube, such as JPEG or PNG. JPEG is standard due to its smaller file size, but if your design includes transparency, you'll want to opt for PNG. Make sure to name your file something descriptive and easy to remember. And there you have it, your custom YouTube thumbnail, ready to captivate viewers. Remember, practice makes perfect. Perfect. So feel free to experiment with different styles and techniques to find what works best for your channel. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.